1, go.
Qualification match 17. On the Red Alliance, we have Full Metal Jackets and Dads holding their own against Beartex, Revelation, and Wolfpack. As Full Metal Jackets aim and fire into the Red Alliance hub. Heading into teleoperated mode, the Red Alliance is taking this time to recharge their robots. They take one last volley into the Red Alliance hub and just make it in time. Beartex plow into the middle of the neutral zone, flinging fuel everywhere, trying to recharge their robots so they can take advantage of this blue shift. Full Metal Jackets is almost full. They're shuttling all the fuel back over to their side of the field. Revelation is trying to line up for a clear shot on the blue side of the field. Just out of time. Full Metal Jackets taking pot shots at the Red Alliance hub and making almost all of them. I thought the robot was empty, but it keeps going. Beartex and Revelation have both refilled their robots. Revelation fires into the Blue Alliance hub. Beartex is trying to shove some more fuel over to their human players. Revelation continuing to score into the Blue Alliance hub as the shift changes over to the Red Alliance. Full Metal Jacket full of fuel. They're trying to get lined up. The fuel is just trickling out of their launcher. They finally get it clear. And an avalanche is unleashed onto the Red Alliance hub. That means we're into the end game. Both hubs are active. Revelation is lining up for a shot on the Blue Alliance side of the field. Beartex holding steady. Full Metal Jackets continues to score for the Red Alliance. Looks like Dads may be hung up behind the tower. Revelation lining up for the last few seconds. 2, 1. Final results for match 17. It's a Red Alliance victory, 163-46. Metal Jackets taking the full opportunity to gain another 4 ranking points.